Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sherry. Thank you so much for tuning in today. So it's been a rough last 3 to 4 days for me. I feel like the enemy's just been attacking me, trying to attack my mind. But here I am. Glory be to God, here I am. You know, we all YouTubers that's on here, like, we really have lives. And we have things that go wrong constantly. We got kids, we got little kids, we got grown kids, we got significant other, we got a husband, we got wife, we got problems, we got financial problems, we got all these problems, right? And so we're just people, regular people like you watching me, and you have problems as well. We're on here trying to, give insight to something and trying to encourage people, whatever your business is. Maybe you're teaching money, finances, whatever. We're trying to maybe build a career out of this, a job, have income, a side income. But in all of that, like, you have a 9 to 5 job and things go wrong in your life. But guess what? You still got to go into work, right? So that's me. Here I am on YouTube. My job here is to help you in a way to rebuild yourself, overcome things like that. I'm talking about housing on here, but today's video, it's about it ain't gonna be easy. It's about when you are rebuilding your life, you picking your life up. Nobody said it's going to be easy. Whoever told you that is lying to you. They are really lying to you. What they should tell you is you could do it, baby. You can do it, sweetie. You can do it. I know you can. If you hold on to God, seek God, you can do it. Hang in there. It's going to be rough days. It's going to be rough times. You're going to have a whole rough week. You might have a whole rough day or a whole month, rough 3 months, but hang in there. And so that's what I'm just here to tell you, the same thing. I'm telling myself this. And as God's giving it to me to hang in there, I got your back. Hang in there. God's got your back. It's not going to be easy. So when you're rebuilding, picking yourself up from whatever destruction has came before you, whatever problems, situations, scenarios, listen, it ain't going to be easy. So just pick yourself up. Pick yourself up and keep moving forward. You might have those setbacks. Then guess what? You got a setback, you got to bounce back. Keep moving forward. Set back a little bit, keep moving forward. Set back a little bit, and by the time you do it, you up here. You was back there, but now you up here. So when you're rebuilding, you're picking yourself up, you're starting all over. That's what happens in life. So don't count it strange. Like, that is what happens. We move forward, then you get some setbacks. Even you might have a setback mentally, but guess what? You got to pick back up. You got to keep moving forward. Okay, here comes another setback. It might be a storm over here. It might be some craziness going over here in your family, some drama over here. Guess what? Pick yourself up and keep moving forward. So that's all I'm here to do, is encourage you in that way. Anything that you're setting out to do that you have to pick yourself back up mentally, okay, mentally, either you got to go see a psych doctor, a therapist, but what I recommend is the Word of God. I'm going to recommend that hands down, and I'm not saying not to go to a therapist or a counselor or anything like that. You should, okay, get it out, talk it out, but make sure you still go to God, because He's the healer. He's the ultimate healer. And all these other things are just medications to give you a temporary calmness, a temporary, relief. Okay. But God is the ultimate healer. And that's who we really have to go to when it comes down to the come down. Okay. Because sometimes there's no doctor, there's no treatment, there's nothing that can help you. And let me tell you something. I don't know if you know my story from past videos, like a couple years ago, but I had severe mental illness. And let me tell you, when I tell you God's a healer, I had so many different diagnoses, like borderline personality disorders. Let me tell you something. God can heal the very cells, the nerves, the veins, the intricate parts of your brain. And He can renew you. He can restore your brain, your mind from whatever destruction has hit you, have come upon you. He can restore you. He can give you a clarity of mind. Just think, I've been thinking crazy all my life. Listen, he can give you a sound mind. So whatever it is that you need to do for yourself to pick yourself back up, do it. The first thing I say is get in the Word of God and get rid of those distractions. You really can't really help people. You can give them some tools. You can pat them on their back. You can say, I love you. You can give them a little money to help them on their way. But in the end, and eventually they have to help themselves, okay? And so when you've done all you could do, let it go and you move forward. You got to get your health back on track. Do what it takes. Research. See, I got all this medication and I'm tired of taking it. It's actually making me sicker than making me better. So, what you do is you start getting healthy. You start researching things that's going to make you healthy naturally, like food and exercise and different things like that. And I'm not saying throw away your medication. Don't do that. Take your medication. Be talking with your doctor and stuff. But I'm just saying, you need to move. Okay, do the necessary steps to move. Research where you're going, how much it's going to cost, how you're going to get there, how you're going to buy yourself something to eat, how you're going to pay your bills, these kind of things. If you are sick and you're moving, then guess what? You got to go get all your medical records from the hospital or the doctor that you had before, just in case they don't fax them over. You get them before you leave. So this is things that you got to do. And nobody said it was going to be easy. Nobody said that. It's going to be hard at times, but that's why we have God. We have Jesus to hold on to strengthen us, to get us through the hard days. Build yourself up, build your faith up, get in the Word of God, study, pray, meditate every day in the morning. Ask God to help you through the day. Man, I'm telling you, I feel like the devil was just slinging me back and forth mentally for a few days because I was dealing with somebody else's stuff, and it was affecting me. And so I almost was like, I can't do YouTube for real. I can't do YouTube. But guess what? God renewed me this morning because I had been praying. It's like he said, pick yourself up. It's not going to be easy. And let's go. And so that's what I'm telling you. Pick yourself up. It's not going to be easy. And let's go. Do the thing that you know to do. And I'm kind of rough with it and raw with it right now because that's what's in my spirit. And I really don't have time to be like on here, we got to get this thing, we got to get this thing. We got to do it. We got to pick ourselves up for ourselves and to be a blessing to someone else. We always say we want to help somebody else. Well, how are you helping somebody else? How can you help somebody else if you're not helping yourself? You can't bless nobody financially if you're not doing something to give you more finances than you need. You can't help nobody in the big sense is what I'm talking about. But we can help somebody every day, truthfully, being kind, being nice, even if it's $5 or $10, even if it's a nice gift, even if it's just something, a tip like I'm doing now, giving you tips or encouraging you, things like that. It's time to do something. It's time to pick yourself up, and everything you're trying to accomplish in life, just remember it's not going to be easy. So don't run from it. It's not going to be easy. Whew, I'm preaching to myself right there. Okay. So that's all I have for you in this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. I just want to encourage people from here on out. I want to show people how you can overcome, how you can rebuild, how you can start over. It's possible. Anything's possible with God. Keep your eyes on the prize, Jesus. Keep your eyes on the prize. That's all I have for you this morning, and you all have a wonderful, blessed day. And I did forget it's Labor Day, so happy Labor Day. Peace and blessings.